Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, I'm Amrita Raichand and I welcome you all to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. We do understand that it is very tough to think of a new tiffin idea every morning. So, India's most loved chefs along with me are bringing to you 200 recipes for 200 school days. Alright, so we're going to make samosas today. But what if we make it healthier and yet keep it delicious? Yes, that's what we are going to do. We are going to make beetroot samosas with the filling of sweet potatoes and these are going to be baked. Excited? Chaliye. So let's make beetroot samosas and let's make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin. Okay, so now let's begin. सबसे पहले हम इसमें मैदा डालेंगे. Put up beetroot puree, जिसमें ढेर सारा vitamin C होता है. It has a lot of fiber. Okay, so now I have some heated ghee here, जिसे मैं अपने beetroot के puree के साथ mix कर दूंगी because I don't want to waste even a little bit of my beetroot. अब ये फटाफट कीजिएगा because आपके हाथ हो जाएंगे nice and गुलाबी. Okay, lovely. So ये अब nice stiff dough बन गया है. So we're just going to now let it rest for a little while. So now we're going to add a little bit of oil in a pan. डालेंगे जीरा, some nice finely chopped onions. Okay, now we are going to add our sweet potatoes to this. Sweet potato is boiled from before, so it's just going to cook in just a bit. थोड़ा सा इसमें नमक डालेंगे, थोड़ा सा चाट मसाला, and that's it. Lovely. Now, इसमें हम डालेंगे किसान का tomato ketchup to add to that nice, lovely tomato punch to our filling. Lovely. यहाँ हमारी फिलिंग तैयार हो गई है. We'll actually let it be in this. अब समोसा बनाना शुरू करते हैं. Okay, now I have my dough. Start rolling this. Make a roll. Put our filling inside. And shut it. Use your hands to shape it just like a little cute samosa. I'm going to place these. Okay, now I'm going to bake this at 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. Chalo, now let's see if our samosas are ready. So, looking good, smelling even better. Lovely. अब मैं सारा टिफिन की तैयारी करूँगी. टिफिन में साथ में देने के लिए I have some lovely pineapples. That's the thing about nice nutritious fruits. I have some raisins here. You can add whatever dry fruits or nuts that your children like. And now ये थोड़ा सा जैसे ही ठंडा हो जाए, we add these to our tiffin. Alright, so I hope I've solved your tiffin worry for today. Do like, share and subscribe to India Food Network and share these recipes if you like them. I will be back tomorrow to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.